In this video, we are going to discuss short answer type questions, type 1 of exercise 3B. So first question is, your state Ohm's law express is mathematically defined SI unit of ohms. First you have to write the statement of Ohm's law. Then mathematically, that is V equal to Ri. Then define SI unit of resistance. It means you have to define the 1 ohm. This answer you can write from your textbook. Now question number 2, a wire is a wire is 1 meter long. So question number 2, length is given 1 meter, 0.2 millimeter diameter. So D, I am using the diameter symbol as a D. It is equal to 0.2 millimeter. Then resistance is given as a R is equal to 10 ohm. Calculate the resistivity. It means you have to find the rho. Rho formula is rho equal to Ra by L. So first you convert this diameter into radius. Symbol is your R. This is equal to D by 2. So 0.2 millimeter divided by 2, which is equal to 0.1 millimeter. Now 0.1 milli means 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So R we got, and since we know that rho is equal to Ra by L, it means we need a cross section area. Cross section means area of the circular part, that is equal to pi r square. So rho, to find the rho, first we need a cross-sectional area. Cross-sectional area is pi r square. Always remember, cross-section means circular part. So put the value pi equal to 3.14 and r is equal to 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Solve it. 3.14, if you multiply 0.1 into 0.1, it will be 0.01 into 10 to the power 3 into 2 will be minus 6. So this one becomes your 3.14 into 1 by, I can write this one as a 1 by 100, 10 to the power minus 6 for your easy calculation. 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus, now this is 2, so minus 2. So this is 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7, and this is your meter square. Now rho is equal to Ra by L. Put the values. R is given as your 10. A is given how much? This is 6 plus 2 will be 8, not 7. 10 into A is equal to what we got? 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 8, and the length is your 1. So solve it. This is 3.14 into 10 to the power. This is minus 8 and this is 10. I can write here plus 1. So this is 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Now question number 3. Calculate the area of cross section of a wire if the length is 1 meter. Question number 3. Length is given as a 1 meter. Then resistance is given, R is given as a 23 ohm. Then resistivity rho is given as a 1.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. You have to find A. So use the formula rho equal to Ra by L. So you have to find A. So A is equal to rho L by R. So put the values. 1.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 into L will be your 1 and the R is equal to 23. Now you solve this one. After solving you will get the answer. That one will be in the meter square. So you solve this part yourself. Now question number 4. Draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit consisting of a battery of 2 cells, each of 1.5 volt, 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm resistors, and plug key all are connected in series. So you have to draw one circuit diagram where you have to show the battery with the 2 cells. Battery means like this. 2 cells, and each will be your 1.5 volt, 1.5 volt. And 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm resistors and a plug key all connected in series. So these all are connected in series. So just you have to draw all the resistance. This one will be your 5 ohm, then 10 ohm, then 15 ohm, and you have to show the plug key. This is the plug key, like this. So all these are connected in series. You can show the closed one also. The current will going from the positive to negative. Now question number 5. What is an electric circuit? Again you have to write the definition of electric circuit. Distinguish between open circuit and closed circuit. Already I explained in very short answer type question. Now you have to make column. One side you write down the open circuit and another side you write as a closed circuit. Calculate the resistance of a bulb which allows 10 ampere current when connected to this. So I is given as a question number 6. I is given as a 10 ampere and V is given as a 220 volt. 220 volt. So you have to find R. So R is equal to, first you write V is equal to Ri, Ohm's law. So R is equal to V by I. So put the values 220 by 10, you can say it will become as a 22 ohm. Now question number 7. In an experiment to study the relation between the potential difference across the resistors and the current through it, a student recorded the following observations. So 5 observations are given here. On examining the above observation, the teacher asked the student to reject one set of readings as the values were out of agreement with the rest. Which of the 4 above sets of reading can be rejected? Calculate the mean value of resistance of the resistor based on the remaining 4 sets of reading. So in this question, see, five sets are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can easily find the resistance R with the help of formula V by I. Now which reading you are going to reject? So you have to plot this one in a graph paper or in a plain paper. Just see here V by I. So put here V and here put as a I. So you have to get the straight line. And see, you will get the 4 points on the line except 1 point. The point which is not lying on the straight line, that reading you have to reject. After that, these 4 points you have to find the V by I. V by I for this point, for this point, for this point. R1, R2, V by I again. Similarly R3 and R4. After that you have to find the mean. That is R mean is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 divided by 4. Solve it and get the answer. So your work is you have to solve all the question answers of short answer type question type 1 in your physics copy neatly. Thank you.